Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus are here. Pro-grade camera quality with a new 50-megapixel wide lens with a larger sensor and a new 10-megapixel tele lens with 3 times optical zoom. AI autofocus.
This is an Unpacked like no other.
The Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus are here. Pro-grade camera quality with a new 50-megapixel wide lens with a larger sensor and a new 10-megapixel tele lens with 3 times optical zoom. AI autofocus, BDIS, and Super HDR, in-app camera of your favorite social apps. The Galaxy S22 series will take your daily life to the next level.
Meet the Galaxy S22 Ultra. It comes in 4 bold classic colors. The first Galaxy S series model ever with a built-in S Pen. Immersive 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display, the powerful 4nm processor, our fastest chip ever.
Capture your favorite moments in the dark of night. Introducing Nightography.
To provide clear and stable night video, dual-track image stabilization solution with OIS and VDIS.
Pro Mode, Expert RAW, giving you full control of your camera's lenses. Lightroom, you can edit like a pro. Galaxy S22 Ultra will be available at $1,199.
We are bringing the power of Ultra to our tablets for the very first time with the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. With its 14.6-inch Super AMOLED display, the 6.3mm bezel, with dual cameras positioned on the long side of the tablet, innovative auto framing, LumaFusion, professional video editing experience. With Google Duo's live sharing capability, you can easily brainstorm together. Samsung Notes is one of our most beloved native apps.
The Galaxy ecosystem provides seamless access to apps on Google Play, including YouTube Music, Google Assistant, right from your Galaxy Watch 4. The Galaxy Watch 4 to help you achieve a healthy sleeping habit. The most customizable smartwatch yet. Our all-new Samsung Wallet will carry your digital valuables.
That's the Galaxy experience. Our top priority is and has always been to protect you. Galaxy for the planet. First smartphone to incorporate repurposed fishing nets. OS upgrades to 4 generations. Thank you for joining us.